my son Atharva. In UT, he has learned to work harder under the able guidance of Anubhav sir and his colleagues and in the company of his illustrious friends.
My parents and I attended the introductory session of UT. Impressed by the various achievements of UT, my parents decided to enroll me in UT. Being in UT has been a wonderful experience for me. The professors here pay personal attention to each and every student. This ensures an extra edge to all the students who come to UT.
The astounding results of UT by itself are a testimony to the excellence of this coaching institution. But a couple of things I would like to point out about this organization, about this institution, is one is the grueling test series that they put the students through, which gives the students the extra confidence that they require for tackling the final exams, and which gave her the perfect 10 on 10. And the second is the respect that they give to the school as well as the parents as an institution, and plus the discipline that they inculcate in the students by keeping the parents constantly in the loop with SMSs and phone calls and the parents-teacher meetings. I wish UT all the success. Thank you.